You do not need a $2,000 graphics card to run AI. You do not need a subscription. You do not even need the internet. Everyone selling you AI would strongly prefer you never found that out. So let me ruin their week. This is the simplest way to run real AI on the computer you already own. 3 steps. No GPU nonsense. Let's go. Here is what you have been told. That AI is this huge, expensive, technical thing that only runs in a data center in a state you have never visited, owned by a company that quietly reads everything you type. Some of that is true. It runs there because that is where they can charge you rent for it. $20 a month forever, to talk to a model that forgets you exist the second you close the tab. But the model itself, a smaller version, runs perfectly fine on a normal laptop. Nobody puts that on a billboard because there is no monthly bill in it for them. Step 1. Install one free program called Ollama. Single download. Windows, Mac, or Linux. You click it, it installs, you are done. If you have ever installed anything in your life, you have done harder things than this. No account, no card, no start your free trial. I know. I did not believe it either. Step 2. Open the terminal and type one line. Ollama run Llama 3.2. Press enter. It downloads a small, capable model one time, and then it just runs on your machine from your own connection. That is a real AI living on your computer. Offline, free, private. It answers questions, writes things, explains stuff, and it phones home to absolutely no one. Step 3. There is no step 3. That was the whole thing. But Penny, my laptop is garbage. Perfect. Small models were built for garbage laptops. The 1 to 9 billion parameter models run on a normal processor. Slower than the paid stuff, yes, but it is running, it is yours, and it costs $0 a month for the rest of your natural life. Your move, subscription. Am I telling you the local model is as smart as the giant paid ones? No, it is not, and anyone who says otherwise is selling something. For heavy lifting, the big models win. That is just true. But for most of what you actually do in a day, the local one is more than enough. And nobody can turn it off, rate limit it, hike the price, or read it. You own it. Now, this is the simplest do-it-yourself version. One model, one chat window. If you want the whole thing, an AI that actually runs your work instead of just chatting, that you own and nobody can take away, that is the exact thing we built. It is called Otto. The link is in the description, right under this video. Own your AI. Do not rent it. That is your 2 cents. Spend it well.